Like we talked about earlier, this is a clear one-time framing uptrend, also known as a single leg uptrend. Compared to earlier moves, this candle, the upside extension on a close-to-close basis, is noticeably smaller. Also, it's obvious that the upper wick shows some selling pressure. Let's see the next candle. Okay, here it comes, a red candle. This red candle doesn't break the previous low, so we are still in a one-time framing uptrend. Interestingly, the leg to the upside is extended by the wick of this red candle, so we extend our structure mapping line. Now, the next green candle makes a lower low compared to the previous one. It breaks on the lower side. This means the one-time framing uptrend is now invalid. In simple terms, we are seeing a pullback. Another observation here is that the high of this candle is also lower than the previous high. So, candle by candle, we now have a lower high and a lower low, which indicates a downtrend. Remember, this is a candle by candle structure, also known as internal structure. You can also call it a fractal structure. Very interesting. Next, we see a red shooting star candle, indicating selling pressure. However, it still forms a higher high and a higher low compared to the previous candle. According to structure mapping rules, we should draw an uptrend line here. This qualifies as an internal uptrend structure. Let's see what happens next. Now, we get a big red candle. On a candle by candle basis, it forms a lower high and a lower low, which indicates a short-term downtrend or internal structure downtrend. So we draw a downtrend line. Also, this red candle breaks the previous internal structure low. That means the internal structure itself is now forming a lower high and a lower low pattern. Remember, this downtrend is just part of the internal structure. Our bigger picture, high and low, are still holding. All of this internal movement is happening within that broader range. It's just like we discussed earlier, price is moving within a defined range, between a major high and a major low. All of this internal structure, including the complex pullback, is unfolding inside the broader range, until the bigger structure breaks, either to the upside or downside. We treat this internal structure as a pullback. When an internal structure, downtrend or uptrend, forms within a pullback, like we have seen here, it's called a complex pullback. And complex pullbacks aren't easy. They can easily confuse to trap traders who don't understand structure mapping. After the pullback, price resumes its uptrend and breaks the previous external structure high. Traders who thought the pullback was a trend reversal and entered sell trades are now stuck in losing positions. This is why it's important to differentiate between a true reversal and a pullback, especially when complex pullbacks are involved. And this is exactly where structure mapping becomes so valuable. It helps us stay aligned with the market context and avoid getting trapped in emotional or premature trades.